OGX-011 addresses several unmet needs in prostate cancer. I think the most important and the need that's targeted by the SATURN study is its apparent ability to improve pain in patients with advanced prostate cancer. The SATURN study, to the best of my knowledge, is the only phase 3 study that is focused primarily on pain, which is the main and most common symptom that men suffer from as their disease becomes advanced. There is a clear and unambiguous unmet need for better medications to address pain in prostate cancer. I think the other unmet need is the need to improve on the performance of chemotherapy. Docetaxel and now cabazitaxel have established benefits in advanced prostate cancer, but these benefits are still relatively modest. We have not been very successful in finding companion drugs that can be combined with chemotherapy and make it more effective. There's a very clear and unambiguous need for these kinds of agents, and OGX-011 hopefully will be just such an agent. So in the original design of this study, we wanted to look at OGX-011 along with docetaxel retreatment. And so patients who progressed right through docetaxel treatment were not eligible to participate. We now have a new drug approved for advanced prostate cancer called cabazitaxel that can be used for patients who are completely resistant to docetaxel. And so now with the new amendment, we're allowing both docetaxel retreatment for those patients who stand to benefit from more docetaxel, and also treatment with cabazitaxel for those patients who previously would not have been eligible.
Cusersen is designed to work by inhibiting or suppressing a protein, cholesterol, that when overproduced can be associated with helping cancer cells survive. By inhibiting this protein, Cusersen is designed to increase the likelihood that the cancer cells will die when treated with chemotherapy or anti-cancer treatment in a number of cancers. Cusersen is different from other anti-cancer agents in that it is designed to specifically attack a protein that can be associated with helping cancer cells survive. Based on our preliminary phase 2 results, we believe that patients who are resistant to chemotherapy or are becoming resistant to chemotherapy can respond or may respond better for a longer period of time when Cusersen is added to the chemotherapy as well as to other anti-cancer therapies. There are 2 phase 3 clinical trials evaluating Cusersen in metastatic castrate-resistant prostate cancer. The Synergy trial is the primary registration trial and is evaluating whether there is an overall improvement in survival when Cusersen is added to first-line chemotherapy. The SATURN trial is a phase 3 clinical trial that is testing whether Cusersen can improve quality of life in reduction of cancer pain over 12 weeks duration when added to second-line chemotherapy.